Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this key fob. This is out of a Lexus LS430. And all you really need is a small screwdriver like this, and then also your replacement battery. This takes a 2032, takes one of them. And you can get these off Amazon, they're really inexpensive, and there's a link below in the description that will take you right there. Okay, so first order of business. On the top here, this little slide thing is what pushes out this valet key. You basically want to push that aside and then either use your fingernail or use a screwdriver, and basically you're this side's gonna lever up like that. So just kind of like that. All right, so once you have that out, that's kind of the motherboard, all the circuitry in there. You can just stick your little screwdriver in there and just work it out like that. Okay, and then this actually says right here 2032 with the positive side up. So at this point you can just gently slide this out. Alright, so this has the positive side goes up like that and it goes back in. So take out your old battery, put your new battery in and slide it in, positive side up, and it's got a little rubber grommet there, so give it a good push in. At that point, so this side has the 3 buttons and that goes in with that. And this is where you can test it. So make sure your red light's going off there. You're all set there. And on this end goes in first. So put that in and then pull that back and you're all set. Ready to rock. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.